up, y'all? Randy coming back at you, Carolina Picker, and I tried to get Tina in here, Mrs. Carolina Picker, and she says nope, because you do better than I do, and I don't know why. I mean, she should be in here with me. She's my lovely assistant, my lovely wife. But anyway, what we're going over right now is, if you've seen my live, I don't know at this point by the time this video airs, because I'm actually creating this on Tuesday, May the 3rd. So it'll probably air on Saturday, I guess, May the 7th. And I did the live, I think, last Sunday, May the 1st. So if you've seen that live, then you've seen me win all of this stuff here. And what we're going to do is go over each and every item. I'm going to show you a few items standing here, like some of the clothes in this big picture. And then I'll just grab the camera and I'll show you the rest of the items as well. So the first things first, was able to get this London Fog jacket. Y'all know I love my jackets. If you hadn't watched any of my previous videos, shame on you. This is a London Fog jacket. It is a little dirty. So this is headed straight to the washing machine as soon as I finish filming this video. And let's see what it says about washing it. Well, it don't say. So, oh, here we go. London Fog. Machine wash separately with warm or cold water. Rinse 3 times to remove all soap. Do not spin dry or wring. Hang to drip dry only. Okay, well, that makes it kind of weird. It is a 40 regular, so yes, this is a nice jacket. And let me go ahead and pull off the Goodwill sticker. Oops, it does have a little bitty spot there, I just seen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, they didn't show me that. Look at that. Let's see if you can get that in there. Let's see here. See if you can, so you see that little spot right there? Shame on them for not telling me that. No, they did actually say that it does appear to be worn. And it is a little dirty. So, that being said, this goes to the wash machine. Alright. Number 2. We were able to get this Ralph Lauren Polo jacket. And let me see if I can go ahead and peel the sticker off of this, because I peeled the sticker off this other stuff over here already, but I haven't peeled it off the clothes yet. So this is a hooded jacket, and let me tell you something. This thing looks immaculate. It absolutely looks immaculate. It does have, however, a little bit of dirt right here. So, I guess I'll have to wash that. So, off to the wash it goes. Let's see how you wash this one. It says, machine wash cold, gentle cycle separately. Only non-chlorine bleach needed. Remove promptly. Tumble dry. Low cool iron if needed. Well, alright. This thing looks fantastic though. It really does. So, once again, I guess, as with all Goodwill clothes, this one is off to the washing machine. Ooh, got a little thread here. Let me get a pair of scissors and cut this little thread. There we go. Get that little thread off there. Was able to get this. Jerseys have done very well for me in the past, present, and probably in the future. So this here is an equipment jersey. It's a Reebok equipment. And it's got Rivers number 17 on it. And I am not a football sports person, so I don't even know who this is for. This is a player's jersey. Well, what team is this for? Well, you'll have to forgive me because I have no idea what team this is for, because it usually has LAC Riviera jersey. Okay. Well, it usually has the team on the front of it, but this one don't have the team on the front. But anyway, so as I was able to get this thing looks really, really, really good. It is a little, you know, it's got a little needed to be ironed or something probably, but it looks pretty good. So that being said, we'll throw this over in the do not touch until sold pile. How's that? Then we got this coat. This coat is brand new. It's a brand new coat. It is a Guess coat. That's kind of weird that that's sewn like that. Look how they do that. I don't know if that's supposed to come apart or not, but we're going to leave it together. So this is a Guess coat, brand new. And I got this on shopgoodwill.com. You've seen me win it. Y'all seen me win it. And here it is. Here's the tag on it. Guess. Tag on the back. It is a large. And here is the price tag on it. But I'm probably going to list it for like $79. It says our low price compared to $138. Okay, well, anyway, this does not need to be washed because, like I say, it is brand spanking new, never been worn. So we're going to put that right there in the do not touch until sold pile. And that does it with the clothes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the camera and I'm going to take you over here and we're going to look at each and every item close up. Okay, let's start in the back here. We have this Singer sewing machine, and it does work. And it also has a cover for it, which is setting right here. There's the cover for it. We also got this Singer sewing machine, which also does work. I was able to get this Super Recruiter Yahoo Hot Jobs, brand spanking new, still in the package, although the package is yellowed some from age. So I was able to get that. Got this Sony speaker here, bass speaker that's in fairly decent shape. Was able to get this Hoffman original, 80 proof. It says 750 milliliters. I guess it holds liquor, or maybe it even comes with liquor in it. I don't know, but this is him right here. He's in really good shape, except for the what do you call that, cork. The cork is broke off that would go down in there. So that being said, let's put his hat back on him. Actually, that hat may go that way. I don't know. Anyway, also this is a music box, so let me go ahead and take the top off of him, and we will flip him down here like this, and we will twist this. I'll just do it like one turn. So it plays a little song. That's pretty cool. And got the box for it. This is the box for it. Box is in okay shape. It's this is Mr. Tourist here. So anyway, that's it. I was able to get 2 Billy Hatcher bobbleheads. That's one of them there, and that one's out of the box, so I can show it to you. This is him right here, and he is a bobblehead. And this one here looks like the bill has been glued back on or something, so I'm not sure what this one will sell for. But then we got this one here in the box, which also looks really good. Was able to get these shoes here. These things are in really nice condition. They do have a little bit of dirt around them here. These are River, I'm trying to remember what they call them, River something. I think they're English shoes, but boy, they look in really good condition. And then last but not least, I was able to get this huge painting here that is signed. It's got that's the number on it, the plate number. It is signed in pencil, and this is what it looks like. I think it's called something like Baseball Memories or something like that. It is a gigantic picture. It looks really, really nice. I got to clean the glass up because it's got stain there, and somebody had a sticker on it. And then it has its certificate of authenticity paperwork that is all inside of this here, which I'm not going to even attempt to take out, but trust me, it's in there. So So that being said, so that's the haul that we were able to get at Shop Goodwill. 13 items, and yeah. So that's it. That's the haul, all 13 items. If you didn't see that live video, go take a look at it now. I don't think you'll see me winning everything. I think you'll just see me winning maybe just this and the sewing machine, I think. But the rest of it I should have I had already done before I had done the live. I won the rest of this stuff on Saturday night and Friday night. So anyway, that's what I got. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this particular shopgoodwill.com haul. And that being said, listen, click the thumbs up if you don't mind, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and click that little bell so you know each and every time I put a video up and every time I go live. So yeah, until next time, I love y'all, and I'll see you on the flip side.